Hello everyone. In this video we will learn to how to design channel jig. First we will consider one example of flat plate in which we need to drill two holes of 10 mm diameter. Length of plate is 80 mm, thickness of plate is 15 mm and width is 40 mm. For this plate we need to design a jig. So we need to consider that channel jig is used to drill holes in flat plate. So for this plate we are going to design channel jig. So we need to understand first how channel jig is assembled with this component. So length of this channel jig flat plate is assembled with this length of channel jig and width is come across width of channel jig, and we can assemble two boos to drill holes at certain distance. We are going to support one locator at one end and screw clamp at other end. So this is our arrangement. We are going to use two number of locator at this surface. So first we need to design jig boos. So to design jig boos, first we need to find inner diameter of jig boos. So equation of inner diameter of jig boos equal to drill size plus clearance. So drill size is 10 mm and clearance is of 0.025, so diameter will be 10.025. Outer diameter equation is of 1.5d, so we need to multiply 10 with 1.5, so outer diameter will be 15 mm. Then we need to find head thickness. Equation of head thickness is 0.0625 into d, so we will find head thickness as 6.25 because d is 10 mm. Then head diameter is 2d, so 2 into 10 will be 20 mm. Then finally we will find length of boos, that will be 2.5 into d, so it will be 25 mm. We need to remind that material of jig boos will be always tool steel, and we need to drill two number of holes, so quantity of jig boos will be 2. Then we will go for design of channel. So first we need to find thickness of this channel plate. So thickness of top plate will be length of boos minus head thickness. Length we have found out from design of jig boos, that is 25 mm, and head thickness is 0.625. So thickness of top plate will be 18.75 mm. Then we will find width of channel. It will be equal to width of plate. So width of plate is 45 mm. So width of channel plate will be 45 mm. Then we will find length of this channel. It will be equal to length of plate in which need to drill two holes, that is 80 mm. Allowance for locator is 15 mm and allowance for clamp will be 20 mm. And so we will find length of channel plate will be 115 mm. Then we need to consider distance between two holes in which we will assemble jig boos. It will be of 65 mm, that will we have considered from design of plate. Thickness of channel legs will be of 18.75 mm. It is equal to thickness of top plate. So it will be of 18.75 mm because thickness of top plate we have found from first equation is 18.75 mm. So this is all about design of channel. Then we need to design locator and clamping screw. So two standard locator of 10 or 15 mm diameter we can use, that is a spherical button locator. In this case shank diameter is of 10 mm. This dimension we have directly selected. This is adopt design because we are not going to design locator and clamping screw. We are directly purchasing them from market. So we have purchased a button locator of shank diameter 10 mm, button height of 10 mm and root diameter of 6 mm, and distance between two locator will be 25 mm, that will be in side view, and material of locator always will be mild steel and quantity will be 2. Then we are going to design screw clamp. Same as we have purchased locator from market, we will purchase screw clamp from market. It is of 10 mm diameter and material of clamp will be mild steel. So this is all about design of locator and clamping screw in channel jig. Finally we will get assembly of plate and channel jig, in which always we will assemble jig bush on top plate. We will support plate with the help of locator at one end and clamp the plate with the help of clamping screw at other end. This is all about the design of channel jig. It is a very simplest type of jig and it is widely used for flat plate. For any kind of question or doubts, you can use comment box. Thank you.